You're my family as well.
Oh, Christmas. Oh, a Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you.
So today I'm commencing, not we. Okay, we, because you're my family as well. So I'm commencing my vlogmas. I'll take you through my day from December 1st to 15th. Although I might not be dropping a video every day, I actually have a video to film, and I'm filming it with my friend. She's here.
Hi guys.
So we're actually going to film a Ghana. Like, I need to give you guys some information and tips about how to travel to Ghana. Don't worry, when the video drops, I will. That's even if the video has not dropped by the time you see this video. Yeah. So yes,
My name is Ama in Ghana.
Ama. What's even my name again?
I can't remember yours.
Yeah, and I checked it. Which day was that? I'll insert my name when I remember. I'll insert my name in this video. So yeah, I want to go and prepare the chicken we'll be using. You'll see it in the video. When the video drops, you'll see it as well. So I want to get prepared the chicken we'll be using. I might or I may not show you guys there's nothing to prepare in the chicken, but basically I want to prepare the chicken. You see it, sha. Yeah. So that's it. If you've not seen part 1 of the video, my Ghana video where I talked about all my experiences in Ghana, you should check it out. Link in this video.
Don't forget to subscribe, please.
Subscribe to my channel.
From your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more.
So I got this chicken from Nap Noodle. This is what we'll be using. It's like a kind of mukbang video where we talk about Ghana, and we'll just be chewing our chicken as we talk about Ghana. So there's how it looks like. What it looks like. It's made, so we just need to warm it up, or if you have microwave, you can make use of microwave, warm it up, and it's good to go because it is already seasoned. So we got 2. Wow. So we're about to get drinks for the challenge, and we're here. What drink do you want?
How much is your tea exotic? 500.
Poppy, bring Poppy. So give me nylon.
Yeah, 200. Oh yeah, give me another. 100 naira. Give me another one. See, you're giving me sports things. Which kind of pepper you give me? Pepper way good, see. You know answer me. Sonu. Oh yeah now. How much is this one? Eh? This thing, 100 naira. Voila, oh.
So how much is this one? How much now? 400.
For which one?
For this? No, this thing. Like
One like this 400.
No, you know better when we go shop right to go buy this thing. You guys, things are so expensive in the market. Like everything is just expensive. I don't know who this guy is just talking beside me. I can't even hear myself. But we're in the market, girl. She's the shopper.
Hey.
He's already shy. Why are you shy?
Oh yeah, that's new rubber.
Going to get street food. Okay, first of all, we need to withdraw. I'm fine.
She gotta love this Christmas, but it ain't with me. I watch the snow falling down like it's Rack City. Back to my hometown, back to the whiskey. Back to texting all your exes on Xmas Eve. And I'll be there, yeah, I'll be there. With your hoops and your fucked up hair. And even though you got another man, you could put your bubble goose on my one night stand, yeah. Put up the lights there, like a snowman in my night airs. Pine needles and marijuana in your hair, and I swear these nights ain't they rough when December come around. 'Tis the season of the cuff. Keep my mind out the gutter, make food with extra butter, make two with something other than you, another lover. So these reunions and Black Liver Fridays are lost in nostalgia. If I had it my
Hey guys, good morning guys. How was your night? How are you all doing today? So yeah, I'm about to pack my bags. I'm going back to my apartment. Not even going to stay there for a long time. I'm just going to go and stay there for a few weeks. So I need to pack some things that I know I don't have there that I'll be needing. So yeah, I've actually started packing. Then I decided to make a video for you guys. So for this bag, I've put in my laptop, my what's this thing called, extension box, my chargers, my Wi-Fi. I need to put my mic inside it. Then I think my power bank too, because I might not be needing it there. Then this bag, I'm a lazy shopper. This bag is contains my makeup. When I got makeup from this brand, I just decided to start using it as my mini makeup bag, like if I know I'm not going to need all my makeup items. But that looks like a lot. Then my jotter for my business. This contains like almost all my business things and my YouTube details here. Not details, don't be expecting to find my password there, but it has like most of my YouTube plans. Then my glasses. Then this lace, you guys have seen it before, so I'm finally going for measurements out. Obviously I'll show you guys the whole process. So I'm going for measurements, and I almost forgot this when I was packing. Like, it just dawned on me that I'm actually going for measurements around that side, so why not just take it. Then this outfit, some bags, my robe, dress, this is the bag I'll be using, my Burberry bag. I'll be using this bag. Then I'll just pack some things from here, like my body things, all these things. I'll just pack it from here. Don't mind this butter you're seeing here. Then I'll still sort out some clothes from here. I've not totally made up my mind the clothes I'll be using. Yeah, I'm done packing my bag. This is still open because I need to add some things into it. Once I'm done, yeah, I move.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you.
Check out this beautiful Christmas bag. OMG.
Root of tradition we celebrate, but oh, Christmas tree. More than anything, it's all the people around you. My sister's here, my cousins too. My brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up. Oh, what a year. Oh, Christmas tree, I nearly missed you there. Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see, with all faded photos of family. But oh, Christmas tree. without the joy that surrounds you.
Watching my Vlogmas week 1. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Vlogmas week 2 finna be lit. Stay tuned for it, babies. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Bye.
Honestly,